My name is Jeffin Jijo and I represent Health Curious International. We're a quality training and education provider established in 2007, and we have 3 campuses across Australia, Sydney, Perth and Melbourne. And we have a CBD campus at Melbourne and Perth. We also have a campus at Parramatta in Sydney, which is the next CBD after Sydney City. So our recruitment strategy mainly involves our agents and our marketing representatives in the markets that we target. So we have a representative in each market that we focus on so that they can integrate and communicate and also relate with them on a cultural and on a language basis, and so that communication is more effective between the company and the country and our market itself. Mexico, so we are very new into the whole South American market. We established Health Curious International this year in a way where we can relate with the whole Latin American market. And we are an established business with a lot of resources, with quality educators and everything, and we saw the true potential of starting an English college and targeting Mexico as our market. We also have another goal of being a one-stop college where you start off from English and then and we have Masters of Nursing, which we will be introducing next year, and that will be part of our one-stop process where you can start off with English and finish a degree with Masters. For us, which is a first-time participator in this conference, we find it really beneficial in terms of communicating and even finding out other networks that are working in this industry. We found the whole face-to-face one-on-one sessions way effective after the whole presentation where we marketed our course, gave them an introduction into our courses. And yeah, the one-on-one sessions are really effective and I highly recommend it from ETN, yeah.